Hi everybody, so this tutorial is going to be about the crating out of a simple design concept for the torch that you're going to do. So rather than use an HB pencil, which is what you'll use, so very faint construction lines, you'll use your HB pencil for, because it's more forgiving. You can erase the lines. Just for the benefit of this tutorial, so you can actually see the construction lines, I'm going to use this 0.1 fine liner. So here we go. We've got to sort out the proportion of the crate for our design concept. So I'll start off by doing some faint construction lines. Again, remember these will be in HB, so I'll start with a couple of parallel lines. Yep, I'm happy with that as the width. And now let's get our crate up right. Yep, that's going to be the top, that's going to be the bottom. Yep, that's pretty good. The height and the width is about right. If you're not happy with it, just rub it out and make sure it's right. I'll put a center line in. Yep, I'm happy with that center line. That looks about right. The first thing I'm going to put in is my switch. And the switch is a U shape, pair of parallel lines with a couple of semicircles. So again, working around, get the proportions approximately right. So there we go. Yep, that looks fine. And then I'm going to just bring this round, That's okay. And then the outside of the switch is there. That's about right. And then just bring that round. Like I say, faint construction lines, faint building lines. Bring that round like that. Yeah, I'm pretty much happy with that. Round off that end, round off that end. Yep, there we go. So that's got my switch in. Now, the LED is going to go up here at the open end. So the idea is your thumb presses down on here. So the LED is going to go at the open end. So I think the first design I'll put in, remember this crate, this building box is the extremities. That's the width, that's the height. I think I'll start off with a curve there and a curve there. Okay. And then what I'll do for my design is I'll bring that side down there like that, and whatever that distance is there, I'm going to make there, and I'll bring that side down there so that we've got a symmetrical design. And then I think I'll just put a little mark there, and I'm going to put a curve in there. So I've got this sort of shape with this little bite out the end. The LED is there, sticking out the end, and that's basically my first design concept. Very quick, very easy. Just keep it simple, don't overcomplicate. So I've pulled it in well in from the edges of the page, because my annotation, my written work, needs to be able to go around here. So up here and down here and around here. So I'm going to do another one now. Next one's going to go here somewhere. So let's start off with a line there, my crate there. I'm going to draw this one horizontally, shall we say, on the page. So flip this round and then just get the crate right. Again, I'll just remind you, you're using an HB pencil. It's a very forgiving type of pencil. You can get nice faint lines with it. Let's get the crate right. I'm just using this type of pen purely for this demonstration. Now, I find it a little bit difficult to put the switch in horizontally, so I'm going to rotate my page like that to make it easy, and I'm going to try and reproduce a switch that's similar in size. These are not identical in size, but they're similar, they're more or less the same. So let's have a look there, line there and a line there. I'm happy with that. And then the next line there and the next line there. Okay, yep, that's pretty good. And then I'll just bring in my curve and my curve. So I'm just getting in the switch straight away because that's there. That's been already cut on my blank piece of acrylic. Okay, and then that's going to be where the top goes there. Okay, so let's move that back. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So my LED is going to go up here somewhere. I think what I'll do with this one is do a series of straight lines, I think. So I'm going to put a line in there. I'm going to pull a line up here. Again, my suggestion is that you don't work too near to the switch. Then I think I'm going to join that line up there. Again, don't make these too complicated. We'll come down there with that one there. I think I'll bring that up there, take that down to this point here, and then some place there. Yep, and then there. Yep, it's not symmetrical, that. And then my LED is going to fit in here somewhere. There we go. So what we've got there is a very simple design concept, or two design concepts. Just remember that these are your starting point. Get your crate right to get your proportion right. If your crate's not correct, use the extremities of the crate as your points. Get a center lining to help you, whether it's symmetrical or not. Get your switch in. Okay, and then put your design in, sketch your design in nice and faintly. Okay, keep the designs relatively simple, and remember, these are design concepts. These need to be developed later on. Get the LED in, and there we go. So think about your page layout. I'd probably look to get about half a dozen on this page. Maybe that one could have been a little bit higher up, but you know, try and keep your design concepts spread out wherever you want them to be, but also approximately the same size. So that's the crating out using a faint HB pencil crate. So have a go at that. Thanks very much.